2,
2,
3.
Tots TV. I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tot TV.
Tom.
Tiny.
We're the Tots on Tots TV. 1, 2, 3, boo! I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tot TV.
Tom.
Tiny, we love our house, our secret house.
It's a secret.
It's all right, they're not going to tell anyone.
Lovely donkey.
Our friend Donkey.
I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tot TV.
Tom.
Tiny,
We stay together every day.
1, 2, 3, boo!
I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tot TV.
Tom.
Tiny, we take our magic bag with us.
Sac magique, sac magique.
Elaine, it's a secret.
It's time to go now.
Viens,
Come on.
I'm a tot.
je suis une Tot TV.
Tom.
And Tiny,
Off we go together now. 1, 2, 3, boo! I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tot TV.
Tom.
and Tiny,
Off we go together now to see what we can see. What will we see?
Qu'est-ce qu'on va voir?
what will we see?
Cap.
Oh,
This is nice.
oui. Oh, what's that noise?
Oh, regarde, des bicyclettes.
They're riding bicycles.
Quick,
Oh,
down.
bicycles. Oh.
Come on, we're gonna have a race. Ready, steady, hold it. So go yet, get back.
Hey, they're going to have a race.
Where?
But he's not on his bike.
Ready, steady, hold it. So go yet, get back. Yes, it is. Now be quiet, or I'll trick you out. Ready,
Ready.
steady.
Daddy.
Hold it, hold it. So go.
You naughty.
Oh, he's left his bike behind. Cool. Oh, yeah, it's really good. Oh, it's a good saddle. That's for sitting on. And these are the handlebars for steering. Yep, they work. I turn the wheel. Oh, what's this? Oh. Oh, that's good. Ring, 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 ring. Uh-oh.
Stop! Stop!
Maybe I'll just sit on it just for a little bit. I'll just try out if this wheel works with me sitting on it. Oh. God, this is excellent. I wish Tilly and Tom could see it. God. God, I'm really fast.
Hey, stop! Stop, I haven't to go. Wait a minute, where's my bike?
Where did you leave it?
Over there.
You can't have.
Yes, I did.
I wonder how you stop it.
Oh, where are they? What's that? Oh, Tiny! Tiny! Oh!
you. Oh, did you see me, Tom? Did you see me, kiddo? I went the fastest. I went the fastest.
Tiny, tu es coquin.
Yeah, Tiny, you're naughty.
No, I'm not.
You are.
I'm not. I just went fast.
Are you all right, Tiny?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You better take that bike back.
Oh, I forgot about the bike. It belongs to the little boy. Oh, no. Quick, I'm going to take it back to him. Right. There we are then, bike. Well, thank you very much for a lovely ride. And it was really nice going so fast. But now I've got to give you back to the person that you belong to. Anyway, thanks a lot. Bye then.
Ah, my bike.
Come on. Allez. C'est bien.
Tiny, now he's got his bike back.
Bye, bike.
Naughty old Tiny. A picture by
Flora Keller Cooper.
Aged 6.
Tom, ma construction est presque finie.
Yes, Tilly, my construction's nearly finished as well.
Hello, Tom. Hello, Tilly.
Construct.
Tilly? Tilly, could you tell me what you and Tom are constructing?
Hein, qu'est-ce qu'il y a, Tiny? Tiny? Oh, excuse-moi. Oh, excuse-moi.
Tilly, watch out.
Pardon. Tiny, est-ce que tu aimes?
Yeah, I do like it, actually. It's really, constructed.
Yeah,
Oui.
I think it's nearly finished now.
Moi, j'ai fini, Tom.
Yeah.
Viens, on va essayer.
Yeah, let's try it out.
J'ai mes boules rouges.
Yeah, you've got your red ball, and I've got my nice blue ball.
Allez, Tom, essayons.
Yeah, let's try the whole thing out, Tilly.
Oui.
Oh, please tell me what you're going to do.
Tiny, we're going to have a race, aren't we, Tilly?
Oui.
Right then, are you ready?
Oui.
Steady.
Allez.
That is really fantastic.
Tilly, I didn't say go yet. That wasn't a real race. That wasn't fair.
Ah, mais si, c'était une course et j'ai gagné, Tom.
You didn't win the race. You have to make both balls go at the same time for a real race, and then you have to see which ball gets down to the bottom first, right? Right. Are you ready? Are you steady?
Allez!
Tilly,
Oui?
if you don't do it properly this time, I'm not going to do it at all, right?
D'accord, Tom, calme-toi.
Yeah, Tom, calm down. You see, the thing is that for a proper race, you need a starter. And I can be the starter this time. Look, I'll tell you what. I'll have this flag, okay? So when I wave it, that's the beginning of the race.
Right, good idea, Tiny.
Yep. Ready? Steady!
Go!
Mais arrête, Tom! T'es parti avant le signal de Tiny.
Yeah, Tom, actually, you did start before I said go.
Oui.
You started before I waved my flag. Now you mustn't. You've got to wait until I say go, otherwise it's not fair. Ready?
Oui.
Steady!
Hang on a minute. Right, ready?
Go!
Oui. Allez!
There we go.
Oui.
Get up.
Oh non! J'ai gagné!
Tilly, you didn't win. I won.
Non, c'est pas vrai.
I won, didn't I, Tiny?
Non, c'est pas vrai, n'est-ce pas, Tiny?
I did win. It got down there first, it did.
Just a minute, just a minute. I'm the starter person, not the finishing person. How could I see from here which ball landed first?
Oh, Tiny, attends. Attends, j'ai une idée. Va dehors.
Well, you want me to go outside?
Oui.
Yeah, Tiny, go outside and see who wins the race.
Oui.
Oh, all right then, but don't start until I wave my flag and say go, all right?
Oui.
Right,
Yeah, okay.
right, Tilly, you ready?
Oui, Tom.
Right.
Ready? Steady? Go!
Qu'est-ce qu'il a dit?
No. Tiny, what did you say?
I said... Go!
Oh, Tiny.
I said go and it all fell down.